are you sharing your strawberry? Can Mommy have some? Thank you.
Can you share with your monkey? More? Can you share with Big Bird?
Go share with Big Bird.
Can you share with Big Bird?
Yeah.
How about your zebra?
Go share with your
Go
zebra.
Share with the zebra. Yeah, go share with the zebra.
What about with Mommy? Can Mommy have some more? Thank you. Can Caroline have a bite? Why don't you take a bite? Take a bite of your strawberry. Take a bite. Go on. It's going to take you forever to eat it if you do it that way. Silly girl. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Bye.